Let us start with the Bernoulli equation, which is first order nonlinear differential equation. Bernoulli's equation, this is first order nonlinear. An equation of the form dy by dx plus pxy equal to qxy raised to the power n is called Bernoulli equation. Where px and qx are function of x. And n are real number. Now if n is 0, this is linear differential equation. We have just studied by finding the integrating factor and multiplying with the integrating factor. Left hand side is the derivative of the product and finding the solution by integrating. If n is 1, it is linear. So equation 1 will be linear if n is 0 or n equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, suppose for example, so this is going to be how to solve dy by dx plus pxy equal to qxy. It means this term can be taken here, taking y common, and then by separating variables, integrating, getting the answer. If n is 0, then finding the integrating factor. So if n is 0 or 1, above equation is linear. Suppose n is neither 0 nor 1. N is neither 0 nor 1, it is some real number other than these two. To reduce equation 1 to linear form, how to proceed? Dividing equation 1 by yn. It could be anything, y3, y minus 5, whatever it is. So this is the standard format of Bernoulli equation. The coefficient is 1. And first of all, you have the coefficient 1, which is the standard form I have written. Dividing by yn. This is y minus and dy by dx plus px y 1 minus n equal to qx. This is equation number 2. This we have divided by yn. Now after division, this is going to be anything. Let y1 minus n is v. Since y is a function of x, v is a function of x. So you can name this. It is y minus 3, y minus 2, y minus 10, whatever it is. So name it as v. Differentiate. Differentiate. If you differentiate, this is 1 minus n, y minus n, dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Look at that. Once you are naming this as v, this term is going to be automatically here. Look at that. This is the term you are going to have. This implies y minus n dy by dx is equal to 1 minus n dv by dx. This. Now putting the value of y 1 minus n is equal to v and y minus n dy by dx is equal to this. Equation 2 now becomes, this is 1 minus n dv by dx plus pxv is equal to qx. This is going to be, after putting something, the derivative is replaced and y1 minus n is v, this is going to be. So multiply by 1 minus n. So dv by dx plus 1 minus n pxv is equal to 1 minus n qx. And this is linear in V. Linear in V. This is linear in V. Finding the integrating factor, multiply this equation by the integrating factor. Left hand side is the derivative of product. Integrate, find the answer. And the answer will be in V and X. So you have substituted V is equal to y1 minus n. It means at the end you have to put V is equal to this. Example. This is the way you are solve the following differential equation. So you can have xy cube dy by dx plus y is equal to xy cube. Yes. Look at that. This is the Bernoulli equation where y raised to power n is 3 this time. So, solution. Step 1. Dividing by y cube. Y cube. This become y minus 3 dy by dx plus y minus 2 is equal to x. Put y minus 2 is equal to v. Put y minus 2 is equal to v. Minus 2y minus 3, taking the derivative, dy by dx is dv by dx. This implies y minus 3 dy by dx is minus half dv by dx. Look at that. So this is the equation you can have 1. Equation 1 can be rewritten minus half dv by dx plus v is equal to x, because y minus 2 is v. Multiplying by minus 2, dv by dx minus 2v is equal to minus 2x. So this is linear in V. Linear in V. What will be Px? P of x is minus 2. And integrating factor is e minus 2 dx, integral of that, which is minus 2x. Do not have any constant here. I have mentioned this last time. This is equation number 2. Multiply equation 2 by integrating factor. Multiply equation 2 by e minus 2x. So this become e minus 2x dv by dx minus 2v e minus 2x is equal to minus 2x e minus 2x. Left hand side can be written d by dx v e minus 2x. And this is minus 2x e minus 2x. This you have. Integrating both sides with respect to x. So this is going to be derivative integral cancel. E minus 2x is equal to. So you integrate this by parts or by tabular integration if you have understand the tabular integration. Let me have x there, e minus 2x there. The derivative, the integral. 1 minus 2 minus 2x, the integral 1 by 4 e minus 2x. Multiply this and this, put a plus, a minus. This is the tabular integration you are having. So minus 2 is outside. Let me have this, multiply these two, which is minus half x e minus 2x, and this minus is multiplied with minus 1 by 4 e minus 2x plus c is there. So you multiply with minus 2, which is x e minus 2x plus half e minus 2x plus c1. Minus 2c is c1. So this is v e minus 2x. So what is v? Dividing by e minus 2x. This is x plus half plus c1 e 2x. Dividing by e minus 2x. When c1 is divided, so it becomes positive. But what is your v? v is y minus 2. So it is 1 over y square. Or you can have x plus half plus c1 e 2x. This is the required solution of the Bernoulli equation, which is non-linear. Follow up. Solve the following Bernoulli's equation. Number 1, dy by dx plus y by 2x is equal to x by y cube, and the condition is given y1 is equal to 2. Then number 2, x dy by dx plus 3y is x cube y square. y1 is equal to 2. Number 3, 2x y dash is equal to 10 x cube y5 plus, this is 4th, x y dash plus y is x square y square natural log x. Then y dash plus y is x y by 3. That's all. There are 5 questions. So you can solve any method if you have, but this is Bernoulli equation, so you have to have something. For this question you have to multiply by y cube. Look, y cube in the denominator, multiply this equation by y cube, then putting something as v and then taking the derivative. At the end, when you are writing in terms of x and y, because you are writing in terms of x and y, c is there, then putting the initial condition. This is x and this is your x and this is your y. Once you are replacing v by something and there's c there, and then you can find the value of c. So that's all about the Bernoulli equation. So there are 5 questions. Let you have the format, which is I have written dy by dx. Make sure its coefficient is 1, something like that.